Good morning. Welcome back to my crafty hen house. My name is Elaine. I'm going to take you in my beehive today. We haven't been in here since the end of March. Everything is really blooming nicely. We have our garden going. We have all of our flowers are blooming. We have the palms are blooming. So our bees have had a good opportunity to produce some honey and store it up in the super. If you remember, I removed one of my supers, so now I only have the one up there to allow them the space to really fill those up. So let me turn you around and show you the hive. So we're at mid-morning right now, and as you can see, the sun is rising, so we're getting a little bit more shade on the front of the hive. We're going to take this opportunity to go ahead and remove a lot of the vine through the back of the hive, do some trimming over on this side. While they're quiet and calm, they're coming in from their night out harvesting, and we don't want the heat to build up in the hive as it would throughout the day, so that we can go in there and do a nice inspection. So let's get started. Look at this pile I removed of all the overgrowth, and more can be done. I just don't want to upset the bees. They're doing quite well, and there they are, calm. So now I'm going to go ahead and cool down for a moment and then get suited up and go ahead and get into the hive. As you can see, the shade has come across the hive nicely, and so the whole front is nice and cool for them. And I'm not sure whether you can see or not. Let me turn you around. You can see their flight pattern as they come and they go, and they're going from the hive this way, and then of course they come back this way, and you can see, the closer that you get, you can see their pattern, their comings and their going. We have a few coming from the west this way, but primarily they come from the east. So let me get suited up and we'll get started. The first good sign is there are no beetles on the top. I'm going to give them a couple minutes to settle down to the bottom. My rats. Good sign, no beetles. Give them a little bit more smoke. And because I only have one super, I'll be just checking the top. Pulling out the second frame in. Oh, very nice. You're feeling it just beautifully. Frame number one. Just build out. Oh, very heavy. Oh, very nice. Capped. Very nice. Let's go to frame 4. Oh, very, very nice. Capped. Capped. This is frame 5. Oh, very heavy. East side, west side. This is very, very promising. Frame 6. West side. No hive beetles. Seven and 8 are getting built out. These are doing absolutely beautiful. I'm going to leave them in there. So I'm going to close the hive back up and then I'll get right back with you. I got the hive all put back together, and it was a very successful inspection of the super. I didn't do the full hive inspection since there was no hive beetles and there was a lot of production. The bees looked really healthy. I did precautionary put my diatomaceous earth around the base of the hive as well as the ant defender. Just so if anything creeps up. I did stir up a lot of the area when I did all of the brush removal. I'm protected that way, but not one hive beetle. I'm really excited about that. There was none on the inner lid, the top lid, or even on the frames. So I think by taking off the second super and giving them the opportunity to build and concentrate on whatever they hadn't built out in the brood boxes, because I have 2 brood boxes, then they could store any extra honey and up in the top super. So they're doing really well. I did not take any frames today. I could have probably gotten away with 2, but I'm gonna give it another week or 2 weeks and let them continue to cap the honey. There's a lot that was uncapped, so I'm just gonna let them cap the honey and add to the frames that they have up there. This hive that I have is an 8 frame. I have a bee buzzing around me. It's an 8 frame box, and well, he's not gonna leave me alone. Oh, hopefully. Go on, buddy. I don't want him to land on me. He's got nothing to fear. I'm done over there. But anyways, yeah, I'm just gonna leave them alone for about another week, maybe 2 weeks, and see how they're doing. Great inspection of that super. I'm so happy with it. So until next time, I wanna thank you so much for joining me on this super inspection, and you have a wonderful day and many blessings. Until next time.